Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Sony Xperia 10 Mark VI to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting this app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then to use it, click on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can tap on Not Now and then OK, or just OK right away. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, click on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of Sony. Then receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Sony, thanks to all of those categories at the top, you can select all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. Then select Send next to Selected at the bottom. And tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to pick one of those connection ways. If you want to connect by inputting this 6-digit key, you need to click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order and hit Receive button to connect. If you want to scan the QR code though, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!